In this walkthrough, we'll be looking at the Idle Timeout Policy, a feature designed to help organizations accurately detect when employees are away from their systems. To access this setting, navigate to Settings, then click on Productivity under TeamTrace Setup. From there, you will find the Idle Timeout Policy section. The policy is built around 4 columns. The first is Idle Timeout. When set to Yes, TeamTrace will actively detect inactivity and automatically pause the time tracker once the idle threshold is reached. When set to No, the tracker continues running regardless of whether the employee is active or not. When the idle timeout for a user is set to No, the Idle Timer Popup and Idle Activity Form options will automatically be disabled as well. The second column is the Idle Timer Popup. When enabled, users of the TeamTrace tracker will be shown a pop-up indicating how many seconds remain before their timer stops, along with a follow-up pop-up notifying them that activity has stopped. The third column is the Idle Activity Form. When enabled, employees will receive a pop-up notification upon returning to their desk after an idle period. This prompt asks them to account for their time away, for example, indicating that they were in a meeting, on a break, on a phone call, or had a visitor. When this is set to No, no such prompt appears. The fourth column is Duration. This defines the length of inactivity required before TeamTrace marks an employee as idle. Importantly, none of these settings need to be uniform across your organization. Each can be customized per employee based on their role or working style. At the top of the list, you will notice an All row. Any value configured here is automatically applied as the default policy for all employees. Finally, you also have the option to filter this policy view by people or by department, giving you greater flexibility when managing your team.